Okay. Brachiocephalic artery, left common carotid artery, right common carotid artery, right subclavian artery, left subclavian artery, vagus nerve, aortic arch, thoracic aorta artery. Okay, you need to come over here to the. You need to come over here on this side. Okay. Superior vena cava vein, left brachiocephalic vein, right brachiocephalic vein, azygos vein, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery, inferior vena cava vein, abdominal aorta artery, renal vein, renal artery, external iliac artery, external iliac vein, internal iliac artery, femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve. Let's see, the external iliac vein, artery. I think that's it. Okay.